Hello and welcome to this short video on the MaxAB plugin, A/B testing made easy for WordPress. We're going to start out in the plugins admin panel where you can see MaxAB is already installed and activated. Notice the MaxAB settings on the left. Clicking this takes us to our list of current A/B experiments. As you can see, I already have one experiment running, but we'll come back to that in a minute. For now, I'm going to create a new experiment by clicking the Add New button. Creating a new experiment is simple and straightforward. The first thing I'm going to do is give my experiment a new name. That one will do right there. And I need an original page and the variation pages. Now the original page for this experiment is going to be this page right here. And I'm going to set up a couple different variations. And I've already created those pages. So here's variation 1, variation 2, and variation 3. Now for my conversion page, you have two options for your conversion page. You can actually have that be another page on this site, just like your other pages, or you can set it so that it's on a site someplace else, and it'll still track properly and count your conversions. For this experiment, we're going to leave it right where it is on this site, and our conversion page is this page right here. You also have the option of telling it when you want the experiment to end. Do you want to manually stop it? Do you want it to automatically stop when total traffic reaches a certain number of visitors? Or maybe you want it to stop when each page reaches a certain number of visitors. For us, we're going to say total traffic each equals 1,000 visitors. Then I click the Create button, which adds the experiment to the database and takes us back to our list of experiments. Since the experiment we just created won't have any traffic or conversions yet, let's take a look at the one that is already running. Clicking on the experiment name shows us the experiment details and metrics. The metrics are automatically calculated in real time, and it's easy to see which pages are performing better than others. Here we see the total number of visitors, the total number of visitors for each page and variation pages, as well as the conversions, the conversion rates, and the percent improvement for each variation. In this case, we clearly see that variation 1 is underperforming when compared to the original, variation 2 is outperforming the original version, and variation 3 is converting at about the same rate. You can also edit certain aspects of the experiment. For instance, if we wanted to pause this experiment, we could set the status to paused and click Save. Now this experiment won't run unless you come back in and manually set its status to running again. And then if we want to delete the experiment, say it's completed or it's not doing what we want, or we just need to reset things back up entirely, we can delete it and go off on our merry way. So there you have it. The MaxAB plugin brings simple A/B testing directly to WordPress.